In case of an absolute emergency in the worldwide corona crisis, hospitals could have no more capacities. Medical ventilators might all be in use, and hospital staff might be at the limit of availability. For these absolute emergency situations, engineers are working on solutions for emergency ventilators and other emergency devices. These devices might need to be built, operated, and maintained by potentially untrained ad hoc workers. Thus, an easy-to-access and understand learning platform specially suited for this purpose is needed. The joint solution proposed by FESTO and Fraunhofer IPA is a combination of the already existing app SmartTenants by FESTO with the Fraunhofer IPA expertise in the user-centered development of medical technologies, their regular close exchange with clinical partners, and their know-how in the creation of digital learning content for medical professionals. But how will it work? SmartTenants by FESTO, which is currently designed as an industrial maintenance app, will become the Virus Fighter's Handbook. The existing app structure can be used, only minor changes will have to be done. The Fraunhofer team will create the learning content for the app using didactic methods and a user-centered design. And this is how the Virus Fighter's Handbook can be used. Once the app is finished and filled with content, which can be done in a short period of time, FESTO, the Fraunhofer IPA project group, medical professionals, and the engineers of the featured medical devices will be available as super admins. Thus, only content controlled by professionals will be released. Virus Fighter's Handbook will be available via Android and Apple app stores for free. On a landing page, a person, like a field hospital manager, or also a private person, can create a user account and become an admin. Now, for example, the field hospital manager can decide which and how many devices he wants to use in the field hospital. He can invite a medical professional into the team for some expert knowledge. The medical professional can be from the direct environment of the field hospital or also from the super admin team. Now, the ad hoc workers who will be taking care of patients get a QR code from the manager. They can scan this with the Virus Fighter's Handbook. Now, all necessary information about the devices is available, also offline. The ad hoc workers who are taking care of patients get the detailed descriptions of how to build, set up, and maintain their specific emergency devices. Maintenance tasks are automatically indicated when scheduled. Via comment function and logbook, a direct feedback about the devices can be given, and admins and the invited medical professionals are able to respond when necessary. The ad hoc workers can inform themselves in the app by rewatching the learning videos for every device at any time. They have access to relevant guidelines for ventilation and can see emergency numbers for their region. For more detailed information about the Virus Fighter's Handbook, read the challenge submissions by FESTO and Fraunhofer IPA. Thank you for watching.